Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I get this nice natural glam makeup look on my cousin, so stay tuned. Okay, first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and start with her eyebrow. I did do a video of how I put the wig on, so that's what you're seeing right now, and that video will be coming up tomorrow, so make sure you guys are stay tuned for that. But first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and wipe off her face with the makeup wipes. Now I'm going to go ahead and do her eyebrow, and I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean up her brows and make sure that it looks much better. Also guys, all products that I use will be in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And also, if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and turn on your bell, because I do upload Monday through Friday. So now I'm taking that foundation color and I'm taking it to clean up the eyebrow, and I'm also going to take it all the way down to the eyelid. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Matte Primer and go ahead and prime her face. Then I'm going to take the damp beauty blender and just blend it out much better, and then use the Patrick Star powder, his first collection with MAC, just to set that concealer. Now I'm going to go into the Jackie Aina palette, and all these shadows that I put on her face will be from the Jackie Aina palette. That's the only palette I'll be using in this video. And as I said guys, I don't remember the names of the colors that I put, but I will put everything on the screen so you guys can see what I have on her face. And I'm going to take that, and this is the transition shade, and I'm going to put it on the outer corner and do a little V. Then I'm going to go into that color right there with a smaller brush, and I'm going to focus it right on the outer corner and then kind of feather it out and bring it into the crease. Then I'm not going to go ahead and cut the lid. I'm using that shimmery palette from the shimmery color from the palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and do kind of like a eyelid cut, but not really an eyelid cut. I'm using that color just to set right on the eyelid so that it kind of have a nice golden shimmer to it. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX wing liner and do a little wing. Now I'm going to go into this MAC, kind of like MAC shimmery color that you use under your foundation so that you have a nice glow to it. I'm using that and I'm putting it on her face. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the Makeup Forever foundation. And guys, don't worry, this is her skin color. I am definitely going to blend it all the way down to her neck, so you're not going to see any separation. But yeah, pretty much that is the color for her skin. Then I'm going to use the Fenty concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath her eyes, the bridge of her nose, and her chin. Now I'm going to go back into the Patrick Star powder and go ahead and set that concealer. Then I'm going to go into that same two shadows that I put onto the outer corner. I'm going to put it onto the bottom and just make sure that it's completely blended. Now I'm going to use the Mario Badescu spray and set her face. Then I'm going to go into the Patrick Star lip liner. I don't remember the name of this lip liner, but it's from the Patrick Star collection. Then I'm going to take the matte lipstick in Ruby Roo. Then I'm going to go over it with the Fenty red lipstick. That is the most popular lipstick of all time, just to put on the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my brush just to clean up the edges. I'm going to go back and set her face, and I'm using the Morphe with Jeffree Star and spray the face. And pretty much that is it, guys. This is it, minimal and clean and nice. Don't forget, I will be uploading this hair makeup tomorrow, so make sure you guys are stay tuned for that. And yeah, I do upload Monday through Friday, so make sure you check me out. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.